Hi, I'm Brandon Carroll, one of the technical evangelists here at Riverbed. In this video, we're going to talk about packet conditioning on demand with SteelConnect EX. In the sample network that I have drawn here, we're looking at a branch site here with a user connected to a SteelConnect EX appliance in the branch that is making use of two separate service providers, SP1 and SP2. Those are internet service providers, and through those connections I have connectivity up to my data center where EX2 sits and a server that my user is going to be passing traffic between. Now, one of the things that we have the ability to do is what's known as SLA probing. So we can tell EX1 to send SLA probes to EX2 across both of those links. We also need to tell EX2 to do the same thing. So basically, they're going to be sending probes back and forth to one another, and those probes can be used to measure the latency, delay, jitter, packet loss across my overlay tunnels. So I pass those across and I configure a policy. Within my policy, I get to define values like the maximum amount of delay and jitter and packet loss that I expect to see before I need to enable some type of feature. So, for example, what I could say is that I want to look for, let's say, 1% packet loss on my primary link, which is SP1. So we're looking for that link and the probes on that link. And if I have 1% loss, then I want to enable a feature that will take my traffic and condition it, move it. Move it to SP2. That's one option I have. Another option I have is to enable features like FEC or packet duplication. I can do that as well. So I have different options. Maybe FEC is one. Depends on the use case here. So let's say that we experience 1% packet loss here. Based on those SLA probes, my EX will intelligently begin to implement the conditioning, now forwarding packets across the second provider. Let's say that that's what we decided we wanted to do in this case. And I can set certain thresholds for when I want to stop. So we could say that if I start to saturate a certain link, let's say that this link hits 80%, maybe I want to turn off the conditioning feature. That's not probably something that I would do with just switching from one link to another, but if I were doing packet replication, I don't want to oversaturate the link. So if the link hits 80%, let's say if this guy gets to 80%, stop replicating those packets, all right, back off so that I don't saturate the link too much. But 1% packet loss, kick in the feature, 80%, turn it off. See, this is packet conditioning on demand. This is just one example of what we can do with the intelligent features of the SteelConnect EX SD-WAN solution. I hope you found this useful. Please have a look at our community forums and join us in the discussion there. Talk to you soon. Thanks.